In my opinion, the media has tried to break me.
But the judge at her sentencing did not buy it. The Rochester City judge, convicted of drunk driving, then locked up in jail for not following the terms of her sentence, will stay behind bars. I'm Deanna Dewberry.
And I'm Brett Davidson. Judge Leticia Astacio was sentenced today, and her job as a judge could now officially be in danger. Charles Molyneux reports she may have crossed enough lines to be taken off the bench.
Yeah, Brett, nobody can take a judge like Judge Astacio off the bench except for the voters or the state's Judicial Conduct Commission. And the commission has been mostly silent about Judge Astacio. Today, the head of the commission said it would be unusual for a judge to be convicted of a crime that resulted in extended prison time to be allowed to stay a judge. In court this morning, Judge Astacio was sentenced to more time behind bars.
My children don't deserve this. Watching my daughter, while being in a jail cell, tell a reporter that it's her fault that I'm in jail is one of the most hurtful things I've ever seen in my entire life.
After a month in jail, Judge Leticia Astacio gave an emotional statement asking for a light sentence. She told Judge Aronson she's been brutalized in the media and seen her family traumatized.
In the most respectful possible way, I'm in jail. This court cannot punish me any more than it has. My reputation cannot be any more tarnished than it has been.
Astacio was arrested and locked up in June for failing to get a court-ordered follow-up test when the interlock device in her car flagged alcohol. After she was convicted of drunk driving last year, a condition of her release was no drinking. But she'd gone off to Thailand and only came back after a warrant was issued for her arrest. Judge Aronson repeated his accusation that she has been arrogant about the process.
You are not being punished for being a good mother. You are not being punished for having people in this community support you. Nowhere in your presentation did I hear one word of remorse. I deal with people who avoid the system, and you are giving me all indications that you're avoiding the system.
Aronson sentenced Astacio to the maximum, 60 days in jail, plus 3 years probation with a monitoring bracelet for any drinking. Astacio's lawyers said she can't handle probation, will certainly violate it, and would rather serve a straight jail sentence. But the judge denied that.
She'll now be sentenced to probation. She's indicated that she's not likely to be compliant with that probation, so unfortunately we're probably not done yet.
On that 60-day sentence, Judge Astacio will have some time knocked off, plus credit for time served. She could be released in about 2 weeks, whether she wants to be or not.